So welcome everybody.
My name is Yvette Dancs. I'm from University of Szeged, Faculty of Economics and Business Administration. And first of all, I would like to introduce our team, our IP team, Luca Molnár. They are from the University of Szeged, Faculty of Law and Political Science. And last but not least, I would like to introduce a very important person of our team, our coach, Balázs Rossi. Our topic was value driver management, and we are going to talk about this. First, let's see the definition of the value driver management. You can see on the side, and I would like to summarize our task. Research 10 SMEs and made a questionnaire. Next, we brought best practice case studies around the 5 topics: the community, the marketplace, the workplace, the environment, and the company values. And we made a PowerPoint presentation, and now we are presenting the findings to a group of students and professors in the EU. And companies can subsidize the community by providing financial and non-financial support. The corporation gives prizes and scholarships people who achieve some significant results of their specialties. The companies can give, for example, volunteer work of their employees and give access to the best customers and business partners.
And naturally, when we make the pricing, we may not leave out of consideration our expenses. And the last piece, maybe the most important promotional challenge to determine our product's message. We have to emphasize some important attributes, and there is another momentous thing, the eye-catching wrapping, which helps us to in promotion, in marketing. The government's influence is huge about the market price. Any governmental step can generate changes in the market price or demand tendency. The first is customs policy. It exists apart from European Union only. Quotas, the second. There are preferences but setbacks actions too, for example export conditioning. The third is the VAT, value added tax, is not standardized in European Union. The member states themselves regulate it on our different ways. The fourth, security conditioning, is strict and it concerns only the consumer goods. The fifth, the environment protection. There is an international prohibition in point of the harmful gases. The usage of filters is compulsory. The sixth, medical instructions, for example, the bacterium content in milk or sugar content in syrups or and in soft drinks. These products are exportable because the regulations are the severest ones of at these. The religious directions is the seventh. For example, in the case of the prohibited to take the pork out, and then eighth is the economical political factors, the governmental arrangements. For example, launch of euro or losses street and refill which comes from, for example, the bird flu. And the last one is the financial and credit case rules.
Workplace simply is a place, it's a shop or factory where work is done. Another European thing the workplace is, this should be defined as the environment under which work to be done.
In our workplace results, we have questioned 2 companies about their workplace. These 2 organizations located in southeast region of Hungary. These things cannot be neglected because this region is not so advanced than the other regions. Therefore, we have really same and interesting answers. The managers and the employees are in good contact with each other, so the employees have a lot of freedom to implement his/her ideas. They need to know the risks and benefits of change, but nevertheless each employee knows where his responsibilities. The managers are receptive to the proposals made by the organization members. On meetings between managers and staff discussing the problems encountered during the process of change. For the most important question, I've got same answer. What is it? Teamwork. Now we think the best practice if the organization limited is personal and flexibility. The good idea is coming from everywhere. Occupational stress is stress involving work. Stress is defined in terms of its physical and physiological effects on a person and can be a mental, physical or emotional strain.
Proactive environmental strategy. Companies have got a master full communication, but their environmental is low. In Hungary, those companies have a really good strategy in protection of environmental, which is based on, I think it's very important. And indicators of environmental innovation, it shows the technology of environmental can be innovated by the company.
Nowadays, the environmental protection becomes of the main problem. Due to the development of technical knowledge, we are using more and more natural and synthetical materials. Often we want only to make our life easier, but we don't know think of the following consequence. In the agriculture, we use too much certificate fertilizers that we eat with our nutrition, and animals do this too. Connected with the development of production, we forgot the danger of running out of the resource.
It's important to make a distinction between the vision and the mission. Vision and values are often misunderstood by SMEs. They think that this concept don't make sense at small enterprises, but rather as multinationals. The companies also pursue non-financial goals, for example, employee satisfaction and customer satisfaction to acquire competitiveness.
Most of the organizations often state that quality, innovation, teamwork, or financial success are equally important. Even though all of these highly desirable qualities and characteristics can be present in a company, in order to find the core values, one has to focus on and recognize that not all the positive ideas and qualities are essential for the enterprise. The most successful organizations define only the factors that are the essential elements of their organizational culture, and they can adhere to them without exception. This does not mean that all the other values are rejected, it is simply to be aware of the key values. This kind of clarity helps to make a clear manifestation to employees, customers, shareholders that what the company actually stands for. So, all in all, focusing on the core competencies is crucial in order to create additional values. The company's success and competitiveness depends on how well the values are defined, because an organization is going to function effectively only when the values are clearly defined, consistent with the corporate objectives, and are also understood by the stakeholders. If companies will able to build these concepts into practice, that would contribute to the sustainable development.
Finally, I would like to request everybody to take care of environment all over the world. Thank you.